Hello YouTube! We're here at this Flagship Car Wash in Kingwood, Texas. This Dodge Ram, it's getting a bath. It's a Dodge Ram Knights Paving Ceiling pickup truck. Here's our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP V8. It's coming into the Flagship Car Wash here in Kingwood, Texas. The car is it's getting brushed up. There's the wheel brushes, there's the soap, there's a 2-basket front to back mirror, there's the brushes, washing it up. There's the soap foam. That Ram's getting rinsed off and done. There's our car. Yep, it's our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP V8. And yay, here comes some triple foam. Our car's getting rinsed. Yep, so this car, it's gonna get all clean and shiny clean. Somebody else watch the dryer. Hey Dad, we paid for the triple wax. Yeah. But not just like the other full-service washes. Like the other full-service washes we did. Yep, in our Grand Prix, it's getting clean. There's the side brushes and another mirror. There's our car. It's getting a car wash. Poor Big Red. Yep, a clean car is a happy car. It's getting the spot rinse. Getting the tires all shining. Yep, and this is a vlog here, so you can do it across the country. And then here's our car. And now it's getting dried. Our car is getting dried. The dryer's are gonna dry it up, and the guys are gonna polish it, so this car can look all sporty again. Here's a Toyota 4Runner V8. It's a Dodge Ram Knights pickup truck. Toyota 4Runner SR5 V8 Sport Edition. And here's our Pontiac Grand Prix GXP V8. And the guys are gonna polish up the car. And that 4Runner is getting dried too. And now the guys, they're polishing up the car. They're polishing up the windows. So, yep. And that's the review of the Flagship Car Wash here in Kingwood, Texas. Yep. And our car's clean, so thanks for watching.